When cops cuffed this suspected shoplifter and secured her in their patrol vehicle, they thought that was the end of this arrest. But they couldn't have been more wrong. Police in Lufkin, Texas say 33-year-old Tasha Sponsler slipped out of her handcuffs and, when they weren't looking, climbed into the driver's seat through the partition window. Then hit the gas. Cops say she led them on a 23-minute chase at speeds reaching 100 miles per hour. They also say she came close to causing a head-on collision with other police officers. The chase ended when cops say they maneuvered their vehicles, causing her to lose control of the cruiser and come to a stop. That's where they rearrested her. Sponsler was originally arrested for stealing items from a beauty supply shop, but she now faces charges in connection to her alleged escape. And because she showed them a flaw in their cruisers, all marked Lufkin police cars now have tactical window limitation devices to prevent something like this from happening again. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Mara Montalbano.